Hello, beautiful people, beautiful kids, beautiful guardians, beautiful parents, and now we are back again. We are going now to study about the English greetings that's used in our daily life. So, if you didn't do the subscribe, just do it as soon as possible to stay with us. So, right now we are going to look about the different greetings that we use in English, uh, and we will explain it in Kinyarwanda. So, the lesson of today is about greetings. So, right now, the first greeting that all of us love to use is to say hello. Hello. Hello in Kinyarwanda, that means muraho, or else say muraho neza. And the second one is hi. Hi. Bite. Bite. So the third one is how are you? How are you? How are you? That means amakuru. Amakuru. And the fourth one is and if it is in the morning time, all of us know that we like to say good morning. Good morning. The good morning means waramutse. Good morning means waramutse in Kinyarwanda. So in the afternoon, we like to say good afternoon. Good afternoon in Kinyarwanda means mwiriwe neza. Mwiriwe neza. And sometimes if you don't want to use hi, we can use WhatsApp. WhatsApp. That means bites. Bites. Yeah. And another one thing that we use as a greeting is to say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So nice to meet you means byiza guhura nawe. I think this the hard word that we learned today is nice to meet you, but it is hard in Kinyarwanda by saying byiza guhura nawe. But if you put your efforts in this lesson, that is not very difficult. And I think that byiza guhura nawe is not a difficult one. It's just you have just to practice after learning. You have to repeat it every day, or after understanding about this, or after learning about this, you have just to repeat, to practice, to do some practice. Yeah, even you can ask yourself and you can just answer yourself. You can do a simple text just like hi to yourself, and then can say we learned that hi it means bitte, and you can do that. So if you do this daily, every day, you continue to repeat after me, that will help you to know more about English and about Kinyarwanda. So thank you. This is my picture. You are teacher's charity. Yeah, this is my picture, and after that we will be again together tomorrow in this time. So goodbye. Good. May the Lord be with you, and good luck. You have to learn well just to know many things that we need in our daily life. So thank you for watching. Just remember to do subscribe, share, and comment, and don't forget to do the like. And dear parents, you have to be with your children, to do some exercises with them to help them improve their learning level, their English level, yes, their language level, because this is the two language that is more needed in different countries. So, and the next time we'll learn English with Kiswahili. So, stay focused. We love you so much. Bye bye. So now, let me